హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ A to Z స్టడీ కంటెంట్. ముందుగా నా ఛానల్ని కొత్తగా చూసేవాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉంటే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఈరోజు మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ బిట్టు, ద మోనాలిసా ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద డాష్ పెయింటింగ్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ మ్యూజియం. ఆప్షన్స్: మోర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్, మోస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్, బ్యూటిఫుల్, most beauty. Correct answer: most beautiful. The Mona Lisa is one of the most beautiful paintings in this museum. Next bit, she is dash than her sister. Options: pretty, prettier, prettiest, none of these. Correct answer: prettier. She is prettier than her sister. Next bit, sugar is dash than salt. Options: more sweet, sweeter, more sweeter, sweetest. Correct answer: sweeter. Sugar is sweeter than salt. Next bit, Albert Einstein was dash than me. Options: intelligent, intelligent, most intelligent, more intelligent. Correct answer: more intelligent. Albert Einstein was more intelligent than me. Next bit, India is the dash country in the world. Options: big, bigger, biggest, none of these. Correct answer: biggest. India is the biggest country in the world. Next bit, this is his dash poem. Options: the finest, finest, finer, none of these. Correct answer: finest. This is his finest poem. Next bit, a tiger is dash than a cat. Options: more strong, strongest, more stronger, stronger. Correct answer: stronger. A tiger is stronger than a cat. Next bit, this is the dash movie I have ever seen. Options: more bore, most boring, boring, boringest. Correct answer: most boring. This is the most boring movie I have ever seen. Next bit, oxygen is the dash natural resources. Options: cheapest, most cheapest, more cheap, most cheap. Correct answer: cheapest. Oxygen is the cheapest natural resources. Next bit, Ravi is a dash boy. Options: nice, nicer, nicest, none of these. Correct answer: nice. Ravi is a nice boy. Next bit, that was the dash exam I had all semester. Options: more difficult, difficult, most difficult test. Correct answer: most difficult. That was the most difficult exam I had all semester. Next bit, some sports are dash than others. Options: more excite, most exciting, more exciting, excite. Correct answer, more exciting. Some sports are more exciting than others. Next bit. This is the dash movie I have ever seen. Options: more bore, most boring, boring, boringest. Correct answer, most boring. Next bit. That hole is dash than this dingo. Options: big, most big, bigger, biggest. Correct answer, bigger. That hole is bigger than this dingo. Next bit. A mouse is dash than a lion. Options: weaker, weakest, more weak, more weaker. Correct answer, weaker. A mouse is weaker than a lion. Next bit. This is dash than that one. Options: more interesting, more interest, interesting, none of these. Correct answer, more interesting. This is more interesting than that one. Next bit. India is a dash country. Options: big, bigger, biggest, none of these. Correct answer, big. India is a big country. Next bit. The blue car is dash than the real car. Options: more fast, more faster, faster, fast. Correct answer, faster. The blue car is faster than the real car. Next bit. A desert is dash than a jungle. Options: more dries, more driest, drier, more dry. Correct answer, drier. A desert is drier than a jungle. Next bit. No other exercise is so dash as swimming. Options: good, better, best, none of these. Correct answer, good. No other exercise is so good as swimming. Next bit. Very few girls are as dash as Bisha. Options: beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, none of these. Correct answer, beautiful. Very few girls are as beautiful as Misha. Next bit. Bombay is the dash port of India. Options: good, better, best, none of these. Correct answer, best. Bombay is the best port of India. Next bit. Delhi is one of the dash cities of India. Options: big, bigger, biggest, none of these. Correct answer, biggest. Delhi is one of the biggest cities of India. Next bit. Shakespeare is dash than any other English poet. Option: great, greater, greatest, one of these. Correct answer, greater. Shakespeare is greater than any other English poet. Next bit. The Hindu is one of the most leading newspapers in India. Identify the sentence. Options: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, none of these. Correct answer: superlative degree. Next bit. Money is more liquid than gold. Identify this sentence. Options: superlative degree, comparative degree, positive degree, none. Correct answer: comparative degree. Next bit. Taj Mahal is not older than some other buildings in the world. Identify this sentence. Options: superlative, positive, comparative, none. Correct answer: comparative. Next bit. Sita is not the cleverest of all girls in the class. Identify this sentence. Options: positive, comparative, superlative, none. Correct answer: superlative. Next bit. Your uncle landed in India after a long time. What do you say? Options: good God, you are lucky. Welcome home, uncle. It is very good. Congratulations. Correct answer: welcome home, uncle. Next bit. Your parents are leaving for a tour. What would you say to them? Options: it is so kind of you. Wish you happy returns of the day. A happy and safe journey. Please don't go. Correct answer: a happy and safe journey. Next bit. Rakesh completed his education and planned to start business. What would you say? Options: best wishes, well done, happy returns, I am so sorry. Correct answer: best wishes. Next bit. An old man of your village is donating a part of his income to the poor and orphans. What would you say to him? Options: how could you do that? Do not give money unnecessarily. You are welcome. It's a very good deeds. Correct answer: it's a very good deeds. Next bit. Hello, who is this speaking? This sentence indicates. Options: an enquiry, an apology, a question, a suggestion. Correct answer: an enquiry. Next bit. Why don't you make a ride? This sentence indicates. Options: seeking advice, giving advice, asking for help, repeating possibility. Correct answer: giving advice. Next bit. You may go now. దిస్ సెంటెన్స్ ఇండికేట్స్. ఆప్షన్స్: టేకింగ్ పర్మిషన్, టేకింగ్ హెల్ప్, గివింగ్ పర్మిషన్, గివింగ్ అడ్వైస్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ గివింగ్ పర్మిషన్. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్టు. వెన్ యువర్ బ్రదర్ failed in the exams, how will you react? Options: how could you do this? Well done, good luck, cheer up, you can try again. Correct answer: cheer up, you can try again. Next bit. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? This sentence indicates. Options: taking help, making an offer, choosing an offer, asking a question. Correct answer: making an offer. Next bit. Can I take this newspaper? This sentence indicates. Options: asking help, seeking permission, seeking advice, offering help. Correct answer: seeking permission. Next bit. Which is the nearest way to railway station? This sentence indicates. Options: seeking help, gathering information, seeking advice, giving permission. Correct answer: gathering information. Next bit. Your teacher has just won an award. You are the class leader. What do you say to her when she come into the class? Options: aren't you lucky? Best of luck. All of us are happy. How do you feel? Correct answer: all of us are happy. Next bit. You attend the marriage of your friend's brother. What would you say to the couple? Options: all right, thank you for inviting me, wish you a happy married life, good luck. Correct answer: wish you a happy married life. Next bit. You are not in the class, are you? This sentence indicates. Options: asking a question, asking information, making confirmation, making suggestion. Correct answer: making confirmation. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇవి ఇవాల్టి బిట్స్. నా వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. నా మరిన్ని మంచి వీడియోస్ కోసం నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కనే బెల్ ఐకాన్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని కూడా క్లిక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.